Hello, welcome back. That was a funny hello. I had to do that again. Right. Okay. Hello, welcome back. Here we have just a shorty, I'm afraid. I've been quiet over Christmas, and there's a reason for that. It's because I went down with the bloody COVIDs. I got tested on Christmas Eve and got my nice positive results through on Christmas Day. Now, it's all been fairly undramatic. It's been like for me, it's been like a seasonal flu, but without all the nasty fever and shit like that. So I've been lucky. But it has been very, very, very fatiguing. Anyway, enough of that bollocks. I am okay. And I'm back for business. It's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. What are you talking about, Richard? It's New Year's Eve. And I thought I'd lob something up at least, just so you can tell I'm all still alive. As you can see, I've had my hair cut. My son, who also had COVID, done my hair for me. So before you start shouting, who done your hair? The council? No, it's my son. Does look like the council done it. Anyway, enjoy the video. Usual stuff. You know what it all means. Apparently, my mate Adrian has said you can thank and subscribe from your telly. There's a logo at the bottom corner, but it's up to you. If you do subscribe and you do like, it does help the algorithms on the channel. Thank you very much. If you want to buy merch, it's in the description below. The only merch that's out there at the moment is the little keyring. Actually, I say keyring, bottle opener, key organiser. But anyway, enjoy the video. The microphone cable's still broken, so voiceover mode enabled. Anyway, this is the roof that I got from Bob in Dave's parts car. He's the guy I did the engine replacement on. Fit like a glove the first time I lobbed it on. Dawdling over to the back of the workshop now, looking at an LT95 gearbox that came out of this car. It's going to be transported up to Highwick, and the easiest way I can do that is by putting it in the chassis. So let's get on with that. Yeah, so but really just want to mount this into the car, and then it's like it's because it's not a lightweight gearbox. It really is. Pardon me, hickety uppers. It's not a lightweight gearbox. But once that's mounted into the chassis, then it just makes life a lot easier moving it up. What else? That's really it for today. I'm going to have to start getting myself organised with the bits I want to take back to Wickham with me. At some point the container will go, but that's going to be a next year job. In the meantime, I need to take enough bits back that I can do this. Now, I haven't fitted the driver's door on this. That would actually make it a bit more van-like, wouldn't it? And I can actually load up the inside of it. But that's not going to happen. I can take all the dash with me. All of this lot can go actually in the back of my car. It's always nice when you do things like this. Itching to do this. Cack-handed, of course. Wouldn't be right any other way. Ah, yes. Hang about a minute. Hang about a minute. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, indeed. Happy, happy, happy. Right, let's get this gearbox in. It would have helped if I'd lifted it up level, but all I do, because this thing's fairly easy to manoeuvre around, even though it weighs more than the sun, I'll put a jack under one side and see if I can just get it lowered down that way. Let's leave the camera in here and see if we can capture this moment for posterity. Or posterior? Let's capture this moment for posterior. Good grief. Right, we're going to have to lift up a tiny bit just so I can push the car. Come on. Come on. So close. We are so close. Take a slack on that. What I might do actually is take, now we're resting on the cross member, I can undo that strap. I might have to come down a little bit further. We're not far out. Right, taking Bob back to Wickham. He's on the trailer, all strapped down, nice and tight, not going anywhere. Boing, boing, boing. Drive shafts held in with a zip tie. All looking good. Oh yes. Long old drive now. Everything's strapped down. Doors are all strapped closed, that's good. Handbrake off. Yes, I think we're all there. That's it. Let's get going. Actually, what I will do is I'm just going to do that winch up a little bit tighter. That'll do, because it just keeps it. If there's going to be any problem with it coming backwards or forwards, it's only going to go as far as that winch cable's going to let it go. Yes, 100 and something miles to go now. Yeah, we've arrived. No issues at all, really. Good tow. Shall I unload this thing into the barn? Yes, as you can see, it was quite damp. It was a damp journey. Right, let's get the workshop open. Right, first and foremost, Bob is installed in the workshop. I need to shift him around a little bit. Oh, I've got music going in the background. Can't hear it for the recycling today. Turn the music off. My new radio, look at that, that's rather snazzy, isn't it? Came from Woolies, and as I used to work for the Woolworths group, it seems somewhat ironic. I was able to pick that up for a tenner. Nice dab radio. Anyway, Bob is in. I'm very happy he is too. So I think the next stage, now I know the roof fits, I can get busy with the welder again. But before I do any of Bob, I've got to get this done.